For today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I'm going to share with you guys this tray with buttons from EV Base. Check this out. What's up guys, Marion from Camera to Freedom. If you use your camera to take photos and video and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So today I'm very excited to share with you guys this tray. So I have another tray from EV Base from before. It's just a simple tray and I really like it. When my wife comes in, she's got her little vape, she throws it in there. When I come in, I want to put my wallet in there, my phone in there. I got a little rechargeable Tesla battery that's in there. So I got little knickknacks that really doesn't go anywhere except for that tray. Otherwise I could put it on a cup holder, on the side, it'll rattle. I could put it away in the center console, but I just like to have something that I could easily just put in and then just pull out when I need to get out of the car. This is the answer. Super easy to install. Just slide into the back of the monitor. You just simply just slide this in. Very easy. It has a wireless remote to this little guy, and this plugs in to the back of the OBS. Now I already have daisy chain link back there with my LED light. I got a display monitor back here that's plugged in, and it is kind of tight to try to fit everything in there and close the lid. So I'm gonna do my best to make that work. Let's go turn off the car so I could install the OBS. Car icon, safety, scroll down, and then power off. And let's turn that off. The bottom cover just pops off. Simply install the OBS connector and make sure the other end is also connected as well. And that's it. You get the first button right over here. That opened the door right here. Sometimes I got family members that have a hard time opening the door because they've never opened a Tesla door, and now you can open the door for them. If you're an Uber driver, how perfect is that? You could open the door for your guests. And then of course this one is the left side, and then this is the right side right over here. Oh nice. So that opens up the glove box right over here. How cool is that? Because normally you're supposed to go here, then glove box, then code to open it, but now you could simply just open your glove box. Boom. Super cool. And then you double tap it to open up your frunk. There it is. Button from here and up, there's two functionalities. One time to do the first function and twice to do the second function. So this first button, if you just hold it, then it's going to move the seat forward, and you can move the seat backwards by pushing the button that's on the right side of it. So you hold that and move it backwards. And that's perfect because sometimes my son sits back there and I want him to get more room, so I could easily put the seat forward, and then when my wife comes in I could move it back for her. And if you're an Uber driver, once again, you could easily make more room for your customers. So that's super convenient. So you can double click over here and it locks all the windows, so that way passengers or your kid cannot open up the window. A little safety feature. And this second one, besides moving the seat forward, you could double click it to start warming up your battery. You could start hearing it a little bit. There's a sound that it makes when it starts to warm up the battery, which is really neat because I didn't know you could manually do that. Your Tesla warms up the battery. Well, let's turn it off. Double click it to turn off the battery warming. Because when you go to supercharger, your battery will start warming up, so that way it charges faster. Your battery has to be warm for it to charge faster. It can't be cold. So now if you know that you're gonna be going home and you need to charge, or you're going to a supercharger and you're not really using a map, you could manually, forcefully start warming up your battery. So that's neat. So this third button right over here opens up the trunk. Okay, that's cool. And then you push it again, and then there it is. It closes your trunk. That's neat. And once again, small functionalities like this that exist in regular cars, but not in a Tesla. All right, so the very last button right over here. One button will turn on the dome light right over here. There it is. And it turns on all the lights that's back here as well. There you go. And then it just turns off. Interesting. And then this double button right here Oh, that's what that does. Okay. The very last button right over here folds and unfolds the rear view mirror right over there. So I love the way this looks. I need this tray. Once I have the tray, I can't live without it. It's just the perfect spot for you to put things, and it's got a rubber grip here so it doesn't just fly around everywhere. So it's very sturdy on that thing. Yeah, I definitely recommend this tray for sure. It's inexpensive, easy to install. It looks awesome. From EV Base, I'm gonna put the discount code link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. All right, guys, so thank you for watching all the way through. If you got any questions, please leave a comment below. It'll help out with my algorithm. I know I need all the help I can get. I'm getting no traction, but it's all right. I love what I do, and I'm doing this for my family. So that's life. You got to do what you can, right? So anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.